I performed over 30,000 procedures in my career. And in the last 2 years, I've seen a new type of patient walk into my office. Patients who lost 40, 60, 80 pounds on Ozempic or other GLP-1 medications. And they look like they aged 15 years in 12 months. Sunken cheeks, hollow temples, loose skin around the jaw. It's called Ozempic face, and it's not a side effect. It's a natural result of losing weight that fast at any age above 35. Today, I'll explain what's actually happening to your face and the only treatment that actually fixes it. Let me explain what's happening physiologically. When you lose weight quickly, you lose fat everywhere, including the 6 critical fat compartments in your face that give it volume and youthful shape. Cheek fat, temple fat, periorbital fat around the eyes, jawline fat, forehead fat, preplatismal fat in the neck. These compartments don't grow back when you keep losing weight. And the skin that previously stretched to cover the weight has lost its elasticity. Combine these two, you get a face that looks deflated, sunken, and aged. Even if you're 40 and look fantastic from the neck down, your face starts to look 55. The medication didn't age you, the rapid fat loss did. Here's what most patients try first and why it doesn't work. Filler. Patients flood the face with hyaluronic acid filler to restore volume. Some practitioners used 8 to 12 syringes in a single visit. The result is worse than the deflation. Heavy, distorted, pillow face, doesn't move naturally, looks obviously fake. And because you're still on Ozempic or coming off it, the filler placement is constantly chasing a moving target. Skin tightening devices, microneedling, radiofrequency, ultrasound. These tighten the surface skin slightly, but they don't address the volume loss underneath. You can't tighten skin around an empty pocket and expect a youthful face. The fundamental problem is fat compartment loss. Until you address that, nothing else looks right. The treatment that actually works for Ozempic face is replacing the fat compartments with your own tissue, specifically fat grafting using your own concentrated regenerative cells. Here's what we do. We take a small amount of fat from your abdomen or thighs, concentrate the regenerative stem cells inside the fat, and place it back into the 6 facial fat compartments you lost from rapid weight loss. You're not adding filler that will migrate or accumulate. You're replacing the same tissue from elsewhere on your body. Your face recognizes it. It integrates, it stays. It doesn't change shape when you keep losing weight because it's tissue your body has already adjusted to. For patients over 45 or for patients who've lost 80 pounds or more, fat grafting alone may not be enough. The skin is stretched and lost elasticity to a point where it needs surgical repositioning. In those cases, we combine fat grafting with a deep plane lift. The lift repositions the deeper tissue layers. The fat grafting restores volume. Combined, they give you back the face you had before the weight loss. Not your 25-year-old face, your 40 or 50-year-old face that just hadn't been deflated. One important consideration, timing. The best time to address Ozempic face is when your weight has stabilized. If you're still actively losing weight on the medication, we'd be grafting fat into a face that's still changing. Wait until you held a stable weight for at least 3 to 6 months. Then we can plan a permanent restoration. If you stop Ozempic and you're maintaining the weight loss, now is the right window to fix the facial changes. Ozempic face is real, and it's fixable, just not with the treatments most patients try first. If you want to understand the procedure I use to restore lost volume permanently, watch What is the Ascend Lift on this channel. If you've already spent thousands on fillers and the result isn't right, watch Stop Renting Your Youth on this channel. I'm Dr. Shim Ching. Tap the link on our page to book a virtual consultation.